Hello, good evening. In the new videos in and they speak the check in the person in the check in uh, the flight check in and process is typically involving verifying your reservation, providing your ID, and using a boarding pass. To check in at hyper arrived at the hyper carly and go to your handless counter. So over your ID and booking confirmation, you will be given your boarding a pass, which will allow you to board your flight. Go through security checks to you to your gate to your gate. Uh, Thanks. Good night. God bless you.